In today's video, I'll teach you how to create Twitter account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Twitter application. You can see over here, Twitter application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So over here, you'll be able to find the option for create account. Tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. You can see over here, you'll have to enter your name, phone number or email and date of birth over here. First of all, enter the name. Now after you enter the name, what you have to do is tap on this field, phone number or email. Now after you enter the name, what you have to do is enter the phone number or email. Tap on the field of phone number or email. Now what you have to do is simply enter your email address or phone number over here. If you want to use phone instead, tap on this option, use phone instead. After that, you'll be able to use the phone number. Right now, I'm just going to enter the email over here. Make sure to enter the correct email address. After you do that, what you have to do is simply enter your date of birth. Tap on the field of date of birth. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to select the date of birth over here. You'll be able to select the year. Tap on the year that is selected right now. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to select the year. Tap on the year that you were born. After that, you can also select the month and day over here. Tap on your date of birth and tap on this option OK. Now after you've entered all the information, tap on the next option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here a verification code has been sent to your email. What you have to do is launch open Gmail on your device. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. Twitter has sent me the email. Tap on it. Now in this email you'll be able to find the verification code. Memorize this code. Now go back to the Twitter application. Now what you have to do is simply enter that code over here. After you do that, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll need a password. What you have to do is create a password for yourself. Make sure it's 8 characters or more. Now after you create the password, tap on the sign up option that you can see on the screen. Now you can pick a profile picture if you want. Right now I'm just going to skip it. Now what you have to do is enter your username. Tap on the field of username and enter the username over here. Right now I'm just going to go with this username. After you do that, tap on the next option. Now you'll have to follow one or more account in order to continue. Simply tap on the follow button right next to the account that you're interested to follow. After you do that, tap on the next option again. Now you can see over here your Twitter account has easily been created. So that is how you create Twitter account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.